2025 Prayag Mahakumbh Mela. The 2025 Prayag Mahakumbh Mela is the current iteration of the Kumbh Mela, a Hindu pilgrimage festival marking a full orbital revolution of Jupiter around the Sun. It is scheduled from the 13th of January to the 26th of February 2025 at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. It is the world's largest gathering. According to official data released on the 12th of February, 48.83 million people have taken a dip in the river so far. This event marks the completion of a 12-year Kumbh Mela cycle and is officially termed a Mahakumbh Mela, spanning 45 days. The Kumbh Mela has been organized since many years with its commencement date unknown. As per astrological calculations, the 2025 edition is unique since the constellation alignment seen is witnessed once in 144 years. The site of each Kumbh Mela is decided by the astrological alignment of Jupiter, the Sun and the Moon. The Kumbh Mela has been recognized as part of intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO. Significance: the Mahakumbh Mela symbolizes the victory of gods over demons. In 2025, the event started on the 13th of January and is expected to conclude on the 26th of February. The Mahakumbh Mela is the world's largest peaceful congregation of people. This gathering contains millions of devotees immersing themselves in the Ganges, Yamuna, and the Saraswati, waters of which are considered holy by the Hindus, symbolizing a purification of the soul and a path to attaining moksha or liberation. Financials: the budget for the event was about 63.82 billion rupees, 740 million United States dollars, and it is estimated that the event will generate a revenue of more than 2 trillion rupees, $23 billion. Amrit Snan. Amrit Snan or Shahi Snan are being held as follows. 1. Monday the 13th of January 2025 Pausha Purnima, official start of the Mahakumbh Mela, significant bathing day. 2. Tuesday the 14th of January 2025 Makra Sankranti, first Amrit Snan, royal bath, a major highlight of the festival. 3. Wednesday the 29th of January 2025 Mauni Amavasya, second Amrit Snan, believed to be highly auspicious for cleansing sins. 4. Monday the 3rd of February 2025 Vasant Panchami, third Amrit Snan, marks the arrival of spring and is significant for devotees. 5. Wednesday the 12th of February 2025 Magha Purnima, important bathing day, an opportunity for spiritual renewal. 6. Wednesday the 26th of February 2025 Mahashivratri concludes the Mahakumbh Mela, another important bathing day. Attendance: the 2025 Mahakumbh Mela has made preparations for the attendance of up to 40 crores, 400 million visitors. As of the 12th of February 2025, the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj has seen an unprecedented number of devotees participating in the sacred bathing rituals. By 6 am on the 12th of February, over 73 lakh, 7.3 million devotees had taken the ritual deep at the Triveni Sangam and other ghats during the Maghi Purnima Snan. According to the official data released on the 12th of February, more than 48.83 million have taken deep so far. Many tourists and pilgrims come from various countries. A delegation of 118 diplomats, including the heads of mission, their spouses, and diplomats from 77 countries, visited the Mahakumbh at Prayagraj on the 1st of February 2025. Arrival of President Draupadi Murmu. President Draupadi Murmu on the 10th of February visited the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj and took a holy deep at the Triveni Sangam. After taking the deep, she offered prayers at Triveni Sangam, which is a confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna and Saraswati. Arrival of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. On the 3rd of February 2025, Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar along with his wife Sudesh Dhankar took a sacred deep at the Prayagraj Sangam during Mahakumbh 2025. Arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On the 5th of February 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at Prayagraj to participate in the ongoing Kumbh Mela. As part of the sacred rituals, he took a deep in the Triveni Sangam. His visit was marked by grand ceremonial events and prayers, and a boat ride to the Sangam with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The visit was widely covered by media outlets. Since Modi arrived after the 29th of January stampede that killed dozens, opposition parties have blamed the tragedy on mismanagement and accused his Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) of hiding the real death toll. Arrival of King of Bhutan. On the 4th of February 2025, Bhutan King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk visited the Mahakumbh and took a holy deep at the Triveni Sangam. Also many notables visited the Mahakumbh 2025.